Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. So, today once more I am here to teach a English lesson. So, I hope you all enjoy and cherish it, my lesson, what I teach. This is the place where I am standing close to my house. This full place is a Araknut garden. We have a Araknut garden. Araknut means, in Kannada it's called Adike Maragalu. So I am here to introduce it because sometimes you don't know what is it Araknut also. You may not be knowing it not there at your place. I think so. So now listen. These are the trees. See, we have grown and they grow tall trees. After some times, they give up fruit. Fruit means not that we are able to eat, but just like that, they sell after, see, first it becomes like this. See, this is a greenish color, raw material. Okay, this is a raw one. After that, you can see this color it comes, so big, yellow color. Then after that we have to remove and put in the sun to dry, so that becomes a brownish color. This is what about this garden where I am standing. Okay, you should know also. Sometimes if I ask what is Araknut, you may not be knowing. So I have got one chance to stand and teach for you about these trees, and you also got one chance to see this place, because it is very difficult for me inside the house to conduct a lesson because there is no network. I have to come far away to the place here and there close to the house. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't get. And another problem, sometimes aeroplanes go over our house to the airport, so difficult, cannot hear the sound at all. Yesterday you have seen the disturbance in the video, that just I was starting my lesson, then aeroplane started to move, so could not help it. I heard that someone just commented some sound is there. Yeah, correct, because since I am coming out of the house, so there will be a lot of sounds you can hear, but please excuse me, I can't do anything. So I try my level best what I can do for you at the moment. Okay. Now coming to this morning to tell you about my English lesson. Okay. So now I have prepared questions and answers. That is, I am going to put in a PDF file, so you all of you can copy them neatly as I taught you in the post standard. You are now quite big children, you know how to write the question answers. Now first I will show you this. See, you take your English 200 pages of book, 200 pages of single line and copy you have to take, not 4 line or 2 lines and all, single line, 200 pages, the book you take, and first page leave, don't write, means I mean this. Now suppose I will show you, I am just showing one rough, this page leave here, then you start from this, this first page you have to start. How you will start, you see that, I will show you. First you draw this line and this line. These 2 lines should be there for the sake of neatness. You know, I have been teaching you since last year this neatness, how to keep your work neat and tidy. So it looks, you see I have written here that adding here and date you write here. Okay, then you have to draw the line, so it looks very neat. And when you write, don't write till here like this. You here is not go. You just see that this much only. Okay, neatly write. While writing, you should follow the instructions that you should not just like that write as you want. No, I want very neat and tidy your work. So you write first question, then second the answer will be question and answer both I have given in the PDF. You can see in the book the questions also, no problem, and you write here. While writing, there should be full stops, commas, and capital letters where necessary. It will be used. Don't write like that, just like that. You are writing anything at all, rough work and all. No, that is the what is that called? Classwork book. You have to keep neat and tidy. When the school reopens, I will see that, and I will give a prize for you if you are whose the what is that called English classwork is neat and tidy. Last year also I told you I will give you prize, but by chance in between the school I mean lockdown happened, we could not do anything. So anyway, now this year let us see. So this is the thing I want to tell you. And when you write, use the commas, full stops, and first letter should be capital. That is, remember, first letter always you should start with the capital. Yesterday I saw your copywriting that was written. There is a IF. If you have written, then starting should be I. In between, okay, but when you start, I should be capital and F should be small letter. Some of the copywriting they have put in the WhatsApp, I have seen. So I felt very bad because last year, full year I have taught you and I was very strict about this copywriting. You all know, sometimes I called your parents when you did not bring the copywriting. I have showed them all these things. I have taken the trouble, but yet you have not learn to write the copywriting. Write neatly. When you do some work, you should do neatly. Otherwise, you should not do. That is what I do. Any work that I like to do and I like to see neat and tidy. This is what I learned from my parents, the discipline of the work. Okay, same thing. I want that you should do these things. Okay, now this is all about the classwork. Now again once more I am telling you that take the single line copy and what is that called? Use pen, ball pen or any pen you use. I have no problem. Some children are calling and asking me, shall we write ball pen? Shall we write in the pencil? Shall we write in the ink pen? That is all your choice. You can write any pen. I have no, but not in the pencil. Any choice that you can follow. Okay. Now, second thing is what you have to do is every day you have to read a lesson. Every day, one lesson at least you read. Every day, don't miss a single day. Maybe Sunday for you like Sunday. I also like to have free because that is my priority on Sunday. I don't do any much work. Work means I keep for my God that on Sunday. That is what followed from the beginning that we do as a Christians. So that I follow. Okay. Now up to you that how you spend your time Sundays and all. So Sunday there is no English class. Other days daily there is. And on Saturday I want to take a grammar. So at least in a week twice I am thinking to take the grammar. Grammar also is necessary. So keep the book ready. That I will send you the message. So that only you have to keep the book ready. Then coming to the this. Now let us come to the text. Open page number 21. Okay, 21 page number. It is there. Add the one, that is work with the words. What is it? Work with the words. Add the suffix y to these and then use the new words in the bracket adjectives. You have made in sentence of your, now you have to, sentence also you have to make of your own. Add the suffix y to these words. Now there are words are there, A, B, C, D, E. Up to E, 5 words are there. You have to add the, what is that called, y for that word. So how will you do it? For example, first one I will tell you. Okay, all I will tell you. Fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y. Second, B-F-U-N-N-Y, funny, C-L-E-A-F, that word you do. Next one is sugary, S-U-G-A-R-Y, sugary. Then bendy, B-E-N-D-Y. Okay. So these are why you have to add for it. Okay. Now C-L-E-A-F-Y, leafy. So these are the things I have given in the, what is that called, in your class workbook to write. I have already PDF file, it is there. Accordingly you see and write them. Okay. Now once more I will tell you that add the suffix y to these words. First one, F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy. Okay. B, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. C, L-E-A-F-Y, leafy. D, S-U-G-A-R-Y, sugary. B-E-N-D-Y, bendy. So I think almost you understood these things now. Okay. Now see and write in the PDF file I have already sent. Don't make any mistakes. Add the suffix y to the following. Where possible, not all the words can take the suffix y, so check in your dictionary. Now not all the words in this you have to add y, only certain words. You have to omit certain words, no need to take in care that. Now first one, A, it is not there. Okay, now we don't say that. Okay, B1 is there, Rani. Then C, shady. D is not there. E is not there. F is stony. G, weighty. H also not there. Okay. I, snowy. Then J, sunny. Okay. S-U-N-N-Y. Understood? These are the things I have clearly mentioned in my classwork. So you can see and do it. So don't make mistake, and again in the ink pen don't scrap it. Do it beautifully. I want to see the neat and tidy work. That is work with the words. This much grammar I have done for you. Now you come, if you can, you first one, that is add the suffix y to these words. First one, you can make your own sentence. Some sentences you can make, small sentences. I have seen a funny joker, like that. Or for example, I have seen funny movies. I like to watch funny movies. All that small sentence you can formulate. Not in this classwork, you do it in your rough work. Okay, that is for your information. Now coming to the second, learning about language. Okay, now in that first one, use the words in sentence of your own. Now you have to use the words sentence of your own. Now once in the sentence, once you have to use as a noun and once you as a verb. Understood? Once you have to use in the noun and once in the verb. So in that sentence it should come verb and noun. These simple sentences you can make, but verb should be there, noun should be there in your sentences. That is what first sentence you make is use the noun. Okay, Now, the dog barks loudly. That is, noun is there, then barks, action is there. Okay. So you have to use, or you can make separate sentences with the noun also, or with the verb also. Understood? This much homework you have to do for the day today. Okay. Question answer write neatly. And when you write the question answer, first on comprehension you take, answer the following question you have to write there. Then come A, B, C, D. Now coming to the next, answer the following you write. Don't write these questions are more difficult, discuss them first, then no need. You have to answer the following. Your D, U there, E, F, G. Like that you go and follow like this. Now coming to the third one here. Coming to the third one, answer the following question with reference to the text. Answer the following with the reference to the text means you have to, there are certain statements are given. Accordingly, you have to search in your book that search statement, who said, why they said, like that you have to answer. That also answer I have given you in that PDF file. So everything it is there clearly. Now, who is the he the poet is speaking about? Now, who is he? That first you write question, then answer is there. I have given question also, answer also, both there. Okay. Second one, what is an harness? Okay. Harness means meaning you know. All it is there in the book, in your textbook. The leather sharp and belts used to control a horse. The leather, the horse, this what is that called, belt they are having, and they have this to control the horse. So that is called what is that, harness. Okay. So I think for today it is enough this much. So I conclude this class with telling you about the question answers and the exercise, and remaining one afterwards I will do. Now this much over here. Now coming to the poem, yesterday you have by hearted first and second stanza. Now today I ask you to learn by heart third and fourth stanza. Third and fourth stanza. Now today what you have by hearted first and second stanza, write in your rough copy and show to your parents. They will correct you. Whatever work you are showing to the parents, it should be signed by your parents. They should know that you have done or not. Understood? Not simply sake of that, what is that called, you do and I give. No. You have to regular with your homework daily. Then only I can continue my lessons. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay. Thank you children. Once more God bless you and see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye.